Hi everyone, welcome to Works by Abhi. I am thrilled to have you here as we kick off our series on web accessibility. My name is Abhishek Kumar, and in this video we will explore what web accessibility is, why it matters, and what WCAG guidelines are. What is web accessibility? Web accessibility means that websites, tools, and technologies are designed and developed to cater to a wide range of users' needs. This includes individuals with auditory, cognitive, neurological, physical speech, and in visual impairments. Accessibility is often just seen as a set of rules and legal requirements, but it is really about making things better for people and improving their experience. There are multiple reasons to implement accessibility in your website, like legal reasons, for example, compliance with regulations like ADA, Section 508, and WCAG, ethical reasons, for example, promoting inclusivity and equal access for all, financial reasons, for example, reaching a broader audience, and improving search engine optimization. Brand reputation, for example, organizations prioritizing accessibility see a boost in positive publicity. Legal reasons. On a legal front, websites and application accessibility is no longer just a best practice but a requirement in many countries. Legislations like Americans with Disabilities Act in United States, Equality Act in the UK, Right of Persons with Disabilities Act in India, Web Accessibility Directive in European Union, and more mandate that digital products be accessible to users with disability. Failure to comply can result in lawsuits and financial penalties. This growing emphasis on accessibility reflects a global shift towards inclusivity and ensures that everyone, regardless of ability, has the opportunity to access and interact with the digital world. Globally, more legislation is being introduced over time, making accessibility not just a legal requirement but also a smart business decision. Ethical reasons. WHO estimated 1.3 billion people experience significant disability. This represents 16% of the world's population or 1 in 6 of us. According to a survey in the UK, 16 million people in the UK had a disability. The internet should be a place for everyone. Website and application accessibility is not just about legal compliance, it's about ethical responsibility by creating inclusive digital experiences. We ensure that people with disabilities can access information, engage with services, and participate in the online world. Financial reasons. Accessibility isn't just the right thing to do, it's also good for business. People with disabilities represent a significant portion of the global population and a growing market segment. By making your website and application accessible, you tap into this potential customer base. Brand reputation. A commitment to accessibility enhances an organization's public image and can lead to a positive press. Accessibility is no longer a niche concern but a core principle for major tech companies. Apple has long been a champion of accessibility, integrating features like voiceover and switch control in their devices to empower users with diverse needs. Microsoft has made a significant stride in recent years, offering tools like text to speech functionality across their software suite. We have got what and why, and before we dive into how, we need to look into WCAG or Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. Web Content Accessibility Guidelines is a set of guidelines aimed at ensuring web content is accessible to all users. These guidelines are designed around four key principles. Perceivable. This means that information and user interface components must be presented in a way that user can perceive, such as alternative text for non-text content. Operable. Users interface components and navigation must be operable by all users. For example, functionality should be accessible via keyboard. Understandable. Information and operation of the user interface must be understandable. This includes making text readable and predictable navigation. Robust. Content must be robust enough to be interpreted by various user agents, inclusive assistive technologies. This means using clean and well-structured code. WCAG has evolved over time with version 2.0, 2.1, and 2.2, each building on the previous. To include more comprehensive guidelines, WCAG has also specified three levels of conformance: Level A, Level AA, and Level AAA, with Level AAA being the most stringent level. Level A addresses the most critical issues, or we can say Level A addresses the most basic issues that could make the content inaccessible. For example, missing text alternative for non-text content. Level AA addresses a broader range of accessibility issues, for example, providing caption for live audio content, and level AAA is the highest and most comprehensive level, providing the most accessible experience. Example, extensive support for text customization or color contrast. I hope you have found the content helpful and informative. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.